Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up webbook inside Aptivo CRM. So Aptivo CRM is a customer relationship management software designed to help businesses manage their sales, marketing, customer support, and project management activities in one unified platform. Aptivo offers a wide range of tools and features including contact and lead management, sales pipeline tracking, email marketing, customer support, financial management, invoicing, and task management. So here I'm going to show you that how by using Aptivo CRM inside Pabbly Connect, you can automate all these repetitive tasks and share the data from Aptivo CRM to any other application automatically. We are going to set up the connection between Aptivo CRM and Pabbly Connect with the help of Webbook. Webbook acts as a bridge for setting up connections between different applications and for transferring the data from one application towards another on the happening of a specific event. So I'm going to show you step by step that how you can insert Webbook inside Aptivo CRM so that whenever a specific event occurs inside Aptivo CRM account, then automatically the response will be captured and then you will be able to automatically transfer that same response to any other application according to your choice to create your automation. Let's get started quickly, but before that you can see on my screen there are two extremely important windows, trigger and actions. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is a response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. So here let's suppose my objective is that as soon as a new project will be added in my Aptivo CRM account, then I want to create a record of that project with all the details in my Google Sheets. So in that case, I will have to take Aptivo CRM and trigger and Google Sheets in action. When we are going to set up a connection between these applications, we can clearly see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, that means when the project is added in Aptivo CRM for any of the purpose, then automatically a record will be created of that project with all the details in Google Sheets, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger in action, let us quickly start connecting Aptivo CRM with Pabbly Connect with the help of Webbook. So because I want to set up the connection between Aptivo CRM and Pabbly Connect with the help of Webbook, so I will have to use Aptivo CRM and trigger, okay? So on the happening of a specific event, we are going to capture the response from Aptivo CRM. Now let's start this connection. For that, first of all, we have to go towards our trigger step and we have to select our trigger application as Aptivo CRM. So let's select that. Then we have to select the trigger event. Now trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or it is going to start. You can see I have three options over here: project created, project updated, and project deleted. So on the happening of whichever event you want to capture the response, you have to select that event over here. Let's suppose in this scenario I'm going to take the example of project created. So let's suppose I want that whenever a new project will be created in my Aptivo CRM account, then I want to capture the response of that. So as I have selected my trigger event, you can see I have received a webbook URL and also I have received some instructions. Basically, we have to insert this webbook URL inside Aptivo CRM account to build the connection between Aptivo CRM and Pabbly Connect, and it is going to act as a bridge because it is going to transfer the data from Aptivo CRM of every project created towards Pabbly Connect. And here how we are going to insert this webbook URL, for that the instructions are given. So we just have to follow these instructions step by step and our connection will be successfully made. So let's copy this webbook URL first of all, and then I'm going to tell you exactly what we are supposed to do. So first of all, it is saying you need to log into your Aptivo account. So I'm going to take you towards my Aptivo account. So this is my Aptivo CRM account. After coming over here, you have to go towards the three dots given over here. That means the more section. Under more, here we have the option of settings. After selecting settings option over here, we have to select projects from the left side. Okay, after coming over here, we have to go towards the trigger section, and under that we have the option of event based. We have to select that. As we will select this option, here it is going to take us towards the trigger event based. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to insert our webbook URL. For that, we have to create a new webbook. So let's click on this create button, and over here, first of all, you need to provide a name to your webbook. So I'm going to give a name, let's say as new projects. Okay, then here you have to select the event, that is project created. Then you have to select the event. So whichever event you want to perform on the happening of which you want to capture the response, you have to select that over here. So because my event over here is project created, so here also I have to select project created in my event. But in your case, if you are selecting project updated or project deleted, you have to select accordingly. You have to make sure that your trigger is enabled. Now we have to move forward, and here under actions we'll find the option of add. So we have to click on this button and over here you will find the option of call a webhook URL. Let's select that. Now first of all, in the post webhook URL field, we have to paste the webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. Then you have to give a particular object over here. So I'm going to give the object as project created. Okay, then here the headers and additional parameters are optional, so you can just ignore these fields for now. We'll click on create, and as we've done that, you can see under actions here we have our webhook URL. Now as we have done that, here we have to do one more thing. We have to select one of the object. So here first of all we have to select an attribute. So I'm going to give the attribute as name, and you have to select a specific condition. So I'm going to select is not empty. When the name will not be empty, then only I want to capture the response, otherwise not. According to your situations and requirements, you can select any of the criteria over here. It is mandatory, so I've just given a sample one. Okay, now when you're going to click on create, your webhook is added over here and it is enabled. You can see this is the name of my webhook, new projects, and over here the event type is created. Now we'll move back towards Pabbly Connect. It is showing waiting for webhook response. Once we have set up this webhook successfully, now we have to do a test submission to capture the response inside Pabbly Connect. Okay, and how we are going to do that? Just by creating a new project inside Aptivo CRM account. Because my trigger event is project created, so I'm going to perform the same event, but in case you have selected project updated or deleted, you have to perform these events. Okay, so now I'm going to go back towards Aptivo CRM. We'll go towards the more section from the top. Over here we have project management, and under this we have the option of projects. We have to select that. Now here these are all the projects I have in my account. What I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this create button to create a new project. And here I'm going to click on create new project button. Now we have to enter the details in these fields to create a new project systematically. First of all, we have to select the template. It is already selected as default one. Then I'm going to give a name of my project. So I'm going to give a name as social media calendar. If you want, you can provide a description as well. So here I'm going to give a random description. Prepare social media calendar for entire month. After giving a description, now here this is the start date, that means the date at which the project is being created, and I'm going to give a end date, that means the due date of the project. So the end date is, let's say, 20th of September 2024. Now here we have to select the status, so I'm going to select on track, and here I'm going to give the priority as medium. After this we have the customer, here we have the contact. Then if you want, you can assign the tags as well. Project manager, that who is managing this project, and all other details. The currency is in INR. After entering all the details, I will simply click on create button, and as we have done that, you can see that the project is created. So now I'm going to go back towards Pabbly Connect. We will wait for the response for a few seconds over here, and the response is received. As you can see in this response, when you will scroll down, you will find all the same details. Okay, here we have project created version, here we have the ID. When we'll scroll down, here we have the start date of the project, the end date, that means the due date of the project. Over here we have the priority of this project, the name of the project. Okay, when we'll scroll down, here we have received the description as well, and all other details. This means that the connection between Aptivo CRM and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. So now, because my trigger event is project created, so once I have set up this connection successfully with the help of webhook, whenever a new project will be added in my Aptivo CRM account, I'm going to receive the response of that with all the details automatically inside Pabbly Connect. Once I've set up this connection, I can add action applications as well to create my action steps, and as soon as I will complete this workflow, whenever a new project will be added, automatically the details of that project will be sent to another application automatically. Okay, in this way, you just have to follow the steps which I have told you in this workflow to set up webhook inside Aptivo CRM to create this connection. I hope this video is helpful for you and the connection is clear to you. Thank you for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends, and also please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.